Think of the word education. What comes to your mind? Schools, colleges, classrooms, teachers, exams, test scores, competitions, college admissions, qualifications, degrees, right? Now, think of the word learning. What comes to your mind? Learning a new skill or art, identifying your passion, researching, reading, analyzing, thinking, success, future, job, career, isn't it? Now, let's look at the two fundamental aspects to learning or building an individual's potential. One is academic learning, two, holistic or all-round learning. Academic learning is the subject knowledge that is covered in your schools, the type of learning that helps you memorize and remember certain facts to perform well during exams, helps you understand basic subject-based concepts from math, sciences and others. These are lower order thinking skills on K-12 Bloom's taxonomy. The second one, holistic or all-round learning, simply means to be able to get exposed to all areas outside of school or college curriculum, to learn new things from all domains, skill areas, to be able to research, analyze, comprehend, apply. In other words, the one that leads you to practical learning. Higher order thinking skills on K-12 Bloom's taxonomy. If academic learning is sufficient to get admission to a good college or to get an internship or to get a job or to get a promotion or to build a successful career, then there's definitely no need to think about anything beyond school. For people and educational institutions who believe that there is a need for the students to learn skills beyond school, please watch further. Going back to the holistic learning aspect, it has two parts to it. Number one, exposure to the all-round or real-world knowledge. Number two, practical thinking or application of the knowledge to solve any problem. What we forget is to move from step 1 to step 2. There is a bridge called critical thinking. The ability of an individual that can expand the brain power so they can use the knowledge they gain and put it in a practical perspective. Skillioma is the beginning, the end result and everything in between, which is the bridge. It takes care of the entire journey from exposure to the right relevant knowledge, building cognitive and critical thinking. Finally, enabling the learner to be able to use the skills and knowledge to put it in practice. Skillioma makes you an independent learner who is prepared for the future. Skillioma's mission is to make every individual achieve his or her maximum potential. And parents want it for their kids and love the schools to adopt such programs. According to a study conducted by Monash University, 88% of parents want their kids to learn life skills in school. We have created a unique interdisciplinary framework that is researched and proven. The framework brings relevance to current education. It helps them with problem-solving skills. It puts them at the top of the pyramid in K-12 Bloom's taxonomy. The following holistic knowledge or skill areas on a personalized learning framework in an interdisciplinary way. General awareness, communication skills, money or finance skills, technology skills, entrepreneurship skills, leadership skills, career and job skills, business and marketing skills. We have two main verticals. One is content-based learning, which integrates skill areas into English language proficiency framework in an interdisciplinary manner. Number two, learning management systems provides lesson plans by grade level and critical thinking challenges as assignments for enhancing cognitive thinking. Now, let's look at these two in detail. Content-based learning, multiple senses learning, text-based reading, audio, video, and infographics for easy understanding. Vocabulary words, puzzle and quiz games. student tracking reports, internal linking for interdisciplinary learning, personalized, meticulously developed content, learning management systems programs, integrated study plans as per school's requirements, critical thinking challenge assignments based on grade level, customized skill-based content for the school, leaderboards for healthy competition, badges and rewards for motivation. The only ask from the schools is to nudge the students to do their learning and submit assignments on time. Skillioma has an evidence-based model. Our students in Skillioma have already seen tremendous improvement within 3 months of using the platform. We cannot ignore the plethora of benefits that reading offers: need for multiple senses learning, need for interdisciplinary learning, need for relevant learning, and also the need for having a safe Google for Kids platform for the school and college students. The 21st century students need to learn how to be resilient, how to find their passion, how to be able to communicate well, how to sell, how to manage money and time, how to make independent decisions, how to solve a problem, how to be creative, how to make an impact. Skillioma addresses all these areas in their unique framework. Skillioma enables each individual to achieve their goals and become successful in life and career. We invite all schools and colleges to adopt and implement Skillioma for their students' bright futures. We hope you would join hands with us in this meaningful endeavor.